skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight.
I'm a nice person. I'm a Girl Scout.
Sarah?
Bye.
Oh, come on. It's just a bunch of hocus pocus.
Hey, it's freezing. Oh, what do you need? Hot tea? Coffee? Lip gloss. I was unconditionally and irrevocably in love with him. La 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 la.
This is Halloween Town, just like the book. Decorations, the goblins, the witches, the ghosts. You look so pretty and I love this view. We fell in love in October. That's why I love fall.
Suddenly, to my surprise,
He did the mash.
he did the monster mash.
The monster mash.
It was a graveyard smash.
He did the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
He did the mash.
We did the monster mash. From my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble abode to get a joke.
Whatever you do, don't fall asleep.
If it's something weird and it don't look good, who you gonna call?
Was a long time ago, longer now than it seems, in a place that perhaps you've seen in your dreams, for the story that you are about to be told took place in the holiday worlds of old.
Why are you so obsessed with Halloween? Halloween is cool.
Tears falling down at the party. Saddest.
I can't be the only one who hears you.
Tears falling.
Just a man, Lorelei.
No, he's not.
Oh, so what are you telling me? That this was all worth it because he was the love of your life, that this was the man for you?
I don't know. He might have been.
Summer what?
Summer weed! The people of this town love Halloween so much they celebrate it twice a year. And wouldn't you know it, it's today!
Do you always carry that calendar in your pocket?
Yes.
Twas a long time ago, longer now than it seems, in a place that perhaps you've seen in your dreams, for the story that you are about to be told took place in the holiday worlds of old. Now, you've probably wondered where holidays come from. If you haven't, I'd say it's time you begun.
How can anyone hate the rain? I saw him. I saw him outside.
There was nobody outside.
There was.
What did he look like?
Twas a long time ago, longer now than it seems, in a place that perhaps you've seen in your dreams, for the story that you are about to be told took place in the holiday worlds of old.
Once each year, as October breezes bluster, there comes a most particular and most peculiar night. An anxious sort of night, when the dark grows a little more so.
Suddenly, to my surprise, he did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash.